Hi there, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com and welcome to this RealVid review. Now for those of you out there involved in real estate and you're trying to promote yourself online and stand out from the crowd, RealVid is a must-have tool for you. It's going to help you easily create promotional material using beautifully created templates, media for your social media like Twitter covers, YouTube thumbnails, all that kind of stuff. Everything that is media related and related to promoting yourself online, RealVid is going to help you create really beautiful templates, videos, and media as a whole. Today we're going to take a deep dive into RealVid so you get to see exactly what everything looks like, exactly what to expect, and as well as that I've also thrown together a bonus bundle for you which is going to go hand in hand with RealVid so you get the absolute most out of it. You get the absolute most out of your marketing efforts. So before we get into that, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification if you want to be updated with new platforms coming out like this that are going to help you make money. Also, at any time you want to jump ahead during this video, make sure you definitely first click the link in the description. What that will do is first take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works, it is integrated with the official RealVid vendor page. So what that means is that if you click on any of these green buttons, that will essentially lock in or secure your bonuses before then sending you off to the RealVid vendor sales page. And if you do decide to purchase it, you'll not only get RealVid, but you'll also get all those bonuses thrown in with it in a big bundle that you can access immediately. First bonus, really quick, I've gotten for you is internet marketing for complete beginners. So while RealVid is a tool that is going to help you put out really good content and just really improve your overall brand look and feel of your brand itself and your marketing materials, ads and whatnot, this is going to help you understand that fundamental knowledge of what internet marketing is, what it's all about, how you can do it, how you can do it more effectively, mistakes to avoid, everything you need to know on internet marketing. Bonus number 2 goes a little bit deeper because RealVid does include a lot of video elements, templates, and things like that. I've gotten you Video Marketing Profit Kit and also YouTube Authority. Video Marketing Profit Kit is going to teach you how to create really effective marketing videos, how to set all that up, what to do, what not to do in videos, how you can trigger emotional biases in people, things like that. Just really how to market on video, how to compel people to buy. YouTube Authority is just the go-to ultimate tool on maximizing your YouTube channel. So how to rank higher, how to use tags, descriptions, titles, thumbnails effectively. So you can, get as big audience as possible, get as many eyes on your videos as possible. Bonus number 3 I've got for you is called Evergreen Lead. So this goes a little bit deeper into getting leads. So while you might be a real estate agent or getting into real estate, you want to promote yourself. It's fine to create a website, it's fine to create social media, but then how do you get people to come? A lot of people, they just build something and think they will come, and they don't. There are certain things you can do, certain ways to get leads, to kick off, be proactive and getting people to your content, to your videos, to your business. And Evergreen Leads is just a massive product that goes into how to get in touch with your audience, your target audience, and get them to where you want them to go. Bonus number 4 is $1 Million Copy, and I threw this in there because while RealVid again is a tool, it's going to help you create templates and media, video, text, imagery, social media, posts, and things like that. $1 Million Copy is a great tool for you to learn how to maximize all that media by writing amazing copy. Copy, of course, is speaking in a way that speaks to the emotions of people, compels people to buy. And if you don't know how to write copy, it's not the most difficult in the world, and the difference between someone who knows how to write copy and someone who doesn't is huge. You're going to see a big increase in your sales or with anything you do if you know how to write a bit of copy. This is an amazing product for that. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up to full access to their bonus vault for me to give to you. So really quickly, they've thrown in bonuses here, such as templates, video templates, we've got call out video templates, we've got slideshows, promotional videos, showcase promotional video templates, we've got ad PowerPoint templates, ad banners, we've got PowerPoint templates, even more. We've got, just a big variety of PowerPoint templates, which can also be used in video, slideshow presentations, just templates that are going to help you get the most, so you don't have to start on ground zero when you get to using RealVid. As well as that, there's also some extra product bonuses here. You can see in the list here, if you pause the video, there are 20 extra bonuses here, generally relating to RealVid. Everything from extra graphics, animation symbols, PowerPoints, sales formulas, social media tactics, marketing tactics. They're really all relating to, giving you extra media, giving you extra tools in order to get the most out of RealVid, but also how to learn more about the online marketing aspects as a whole. So if that all sounds good to you, step one, link in the description, you'll go through to the bonus page, click on these green buttons, that will lock in your bonuses, send you off to the RealVid sales page, which looks like this. I would check it out in your own time, so we're not here all day, look at everything that it has to offer, testimonials, demos, things like that. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And under the green button will be RealVid. Under the blue button, all the bonuses I just talked about. So really easy. My email's here if you have any problems. Now note, this is a launch week special, so keep your eye on this countdown timer, because when it does run out, the bonuses or any exclusive pricing you get through my bonus page by clicking these green buttons will no longer be available. So make sure you keep your eye on that. Now without further ado, let's get into a quick demo and see what you can expect with RealVid. hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on RealVid, seeing what it's all about. Really quickly, again, on my bonus page, I've got a little bit of information here about what you can expect during the buying process and what you get in the package and pricing and all that. So the front end comes with 2 licenses, developer included, $29, and it's everything you see here. Real estate templates, story templates, square templates, flyers, covers, Facebook posts, Twitter covers, YouTube thumbnails, and real estate postcards. Now, if you get the platinum pack, it's basically double of what you get in the front end. And if you don't want to upgrade fully, you can get just a little bit more, a little bit less on the premium templates, animated stories, and animated squares. So you can choose, there's an upsell and a downsell, or a platinum pack and a light platinum pack. And then a bundle pack, $67. This is a bundle pack of book brag editions, all file-based on PowerPoint and easy to edit. So full customizability there for the 67 price tag. Now I will say this, you do only need the front end to get access to all the bonuses, so don't think you need all that. Everybody's different, so just consider which one is right for you and go with that one. Not a lot to lose here, you know, a couple $100,000 worth of bonuses thrown in on top of this. So for $29, it is really a steal. If you do have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comments below. Hit me up on email or my social media. I do reply to everybody in a timely fashion. If not, enjoy RealVid. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll see you next time. Take care.